of them I deal with, feel like say them for treat people good. Too disgusting.
This one I got you with the Jabata. Me, I know get time, I did Jabata. That cover my face, calling me Jabata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it go? Chihuahua, all the best. The cash, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the best.
Guys, I am about to do my nails.
I want to build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing.
Hey guys, here are my nails. It's kind of late right now, so you can't see them too well. Alright, I want to share an experience that I had like just now with you guys. All right, so my birthday is coming up and I ordered my birthday stuff. I look hella, I look mad. Put on my glasses, I'm gonna look. But anyways, my birthday is coming up and I ordered my stuff for my birthday, but because of what's happening in Florida, it looked like it's not gonna be happening again. I'm not gonna get my stuff in time for the weekend. All right, so I ordered hair, shoes, dress, everything. So, well, before I decided I'm gonna message this person on Instagram for one of their dresses, I'm not even gonna call a company's name, but I've DM'd them and I said, what do you think? Is it better? I'm interested in getting this dress. What do you think? Is it better for me to, because of the way in which the person was responding to me, I said, do you think like it's something where I'd have to go in store? So I said, is it better for me to, I said, do you guys do delivery? Because most time I just like to do delivery. I don't like to out of my way to go to the actual storefront when I could have the item delivered. So I said, do you guys do delivery or is it that I have to come to the store to pick up the dress? So she's like, the store address is in the bio. I said, okay, all right. I kind of did lose interest, but no, because I'm not going to be getting my dress, I decided, okay, let me go ahead and just give it a look because I'm in the area. Just let me go ahead and see if what the dresses look like. All right, so I go to the store. I actually went on her page and I saw a dress that looks like something that would, I really liked it, but I was kind of uncertain as to if it would be appropriate to wear to a dinner because of how revealing it is. But based on how it's designed, it looks as though, you know, something that's around it, a shawl, it could be adjusted so as to not show so much skin. So that's what I was asking the girl. Like, I went to the store and she was like, hi, she was like, what are you looking? I said, I'm looking for something for my birthday. I'm here to look. So I kind of get the impression this girl is, they're not really catering for persons who just want to look. It's really for you're trying to get something made. So I said, I'm trying to get something for my birthday. So she's like, carry me to a section at the front part of the store where she has a few stuff. And so I was like, okay. And I was looking like this. At this point I'm kind of getting kind of pissed off because I work hard for my money, but don't pick up my money, and I'm not gonna work hard for my money and just spend it on people who want to come give me attitude and treat me like I am less than. Okay? So anyway, she's like, you have to like give me an idea as to what you want so I can assist you. This is the attitude that she's giving me. And so I said, okay. She's like, you can go on the IG page of service, you can go on the IG page and look if you see something, and then I can show it to you, and then you can try it or fit it or whatever. And I'm like, okay, well, I was on your page and I saw where you posted something, but it kind of like has a shawl. I was trying to find out if the shawl can be adjusted to, you know, make it look kind of more appropriate for a dinner setting. And she was like, no, cannot be adjusted. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Could you let me out, please? Just let me out of this store. Like, really? Like, customer service, these people don't know anything about customer service, and that's why I don't spend my money with them. I prefer buy all of my things online and get my stuff, because when I say they need, like, and that's why I kind of feel when other people say, like, if I'm an influencer them I deal with, them don't feel like say them for treat people good. That's how they are. That's why, oh shit, that's why I don't spend my money out here buy nothing from them. You must learn for treat people fairly. All money is money. So if me I buy the dress for $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, and an influencer spending for $30,000, is the same $30,000. You're too disgusting. You come late. Oh my god. Hey guys, so I am waiting on my meal. Oh god. Alright guys, so I am back and this is my outfit of the day. Client watch necklaces from Amazon, Mama and the other with my kids. Nickname Ellie and Kai. My top, well, my outfit is from Shein, regular white top and this brown shorts. Guys, this shorts kind of creep me out, to be honest. I didn't know that this is what it looked like before I purchased it. It has a lot of teddy on it. It kind of creeped me out. Alright, so the bag is able rich and bossy, broke and bossy. Has a poor and bossy. Yeah, this is me. So this is the bag. Shein as well, gold. Alright, I love gold accessories and that's why I had to choose this bag. But I really wanted to wear my silver hammers, slippers, sandals, but it's just not gonna look. It's not gonna look right. Remind me of when I was going to YS Falls. Well put together my outfit, you know, guys, with this bag, because as I said, I always will go with this bag and the silver sandals. When I look back on the sandals, it never looked too right. Silver and golden clash. So this is what I'll be wearing, and I had to bring out my Gucci slides for this because it has the gold on it. So this is my outfit of the day. Alright, I'm gonna show you the kids' outfits. Put this on the ground. So this is Ellie's sandals. Guys, can you believe I did not remember that Ellie have a slippers journey? Look at this, 6 to 12 months. But Ellie's feet, they're tiny, so this look like it will fit her. Bows for her hair. I got these from Claire's when I was overseas. This is a jumper. This is a top. The top says 2T, but I'm pretty sure it looks like it will fit her. This is her necklace from Amazon. Alright guys, I need the plug to a real jeweler. I need to get Eliana her necklace, her name chain. Michiki has hers, but I don't have one for Ellie, so link me up to a jeweler if you know one. I was thinking of wearing this bag, but I'm not gonna wear that again. This is Michiki's partial outfit. I just took the dress out, her slippers. She'll be wearing a white Hermes sandals, so she needs to go clean those off. I'm gonna get ready now because I'm not gonna be late today.
This one I grab you with the Jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that.
Alright guys, so Eliana is awake and I'm in the middle of doing my hair. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to stop to get Eliana ready because we have like 45 minutes to get out of this house. So I'm gonna get her ready and then gonna come back and get dressed with you guys and then we head out. Alright, so see you in a little bit.
Hey guys! Saying hi to the people? Say hi to the people! Say hi, viewers! Hi, viewers!
I didn't get the gel downstairs.
I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money. I know one time, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? All depend.
My top on and the top is see-through. Ha! Can you believe it? But guess what? The bra or underwear is kind of like an undershirt, so it's not really like a bra. If I had on like a regular bra, I'd definitely take it off, but I'm not gonna take this off because this is like an undershirt. You got what I'm saying? You feel me? So let me go ahead and add my necklaces, guys. Whenever, like, I think I've come to the conclusion that I'm a minimalist when it comes to to jewelry because sometimes you even see me wearing no jewelry at all, not even earring. I think I get anxiety whenever I think about putting on big, excessive jewelry. You know what I'm saying? So this is my mama necklace. Put this one on and I am gonna put some body glue on and then I head out. It's almost 8:30 and I want to leave out at 8:30. And I got my shirt messed up, but it's fine. How do you think I will feel about the lashes? I don't know. If it's, I'm kind of over putting on strip lashes. If it's not like my lash extensions or just mascara, then I don't want to do it.
that you do.